Hi, my name is Michael Luwoye. I am a television and Broadway actor based here in New York, and I'm speaking on behalf of the Arthur Miller Foundation and every organization that is prioritizing arts education for developing our youth. I didn't grow up having any desire to pursue acting as my profession, but I specifically chose this as my career path after being involved in a theater apprenticeship program when I was in college that activated my appreciation for community and communication and empathy. In the world that we live in today, I feel like we put a lot of stock in the work that we do, and that it's easy to discount um, the arts because of its economic utility as an entertainment, as a vehicle for entertainment. But arts education, especially when it's taught at an early age, helps to teach people how to find their voice, how to express themselves and their feelings to other people, and also how to be curious and open and available to listen to other people who come from different circumstances and walks of life. And I feel that these skills are essential in building healthy communities and connections, which is what I think is going to be very important in the new world that we're all collectively entering. So again, on behalf of the Arthur Miller Foundation, I want to stress the importance of arts education as an essential factor for building stronger, healthier communities, and that greater funding towards these will aid our communities in the long run. So yeah, thank you.